Good afternoon, co-chairs Marks and Nolan, ranking members Gordon and Vale, and distinguished members of the Committee on Veterans and Military Affairs. Thank you for raising House Bill 5402, which excludes certain benefits payments from veterans' income calculations for a public hearing and allowing me to submit testimony in support of this very important bill. For years, I've advocated for many of the exclusions that appear in this bill, and I applaud you for moving it forward. I'm a veteran, and I meet with veterans throughout my district. If I see them wearing a baseball cap, which indicates their service, I stop and I chat with them. They love Connecticut. They want to continue to live here. However, many feel that it's expensive to do so and that the state isn't doing enough to thank these veterans for their service and to encourage them to stay here. They provide me with examples of other states that do provide benefits for their veterans. When these veterans' benefits are included in income calculations, the numbers may put them in an income category that makes them ineligible for benefits provided by the state or the municipalities. 5402 goes a long way towards correcting the problem. It does show our current and future veterans that we care for them, we thank them for their service, and for the sacrifices they made for our country. I urge you to favorably pass this bill out of committee. Thank you for allowing me to speak. And do you have any questions?
Thank you, Representative. Do you know how your bill is different than 344 that Senator Kelly just testified on?
Not familiar with that. This bill, again, I'm in favor of this particular bill. I didn't draft the bill, but I could see the benefits that will accrue to the veterans by, again, excluding the income. And as I read it and I thought about the conversations I've had with several of them, think for a minute about the veteran's disability. All right, it's not a pension. It's not regular old income. They were injured in some way, shape, or form, some part of the body, which isn't 100% anymore. And the government, federal government, is making good to them for their loss. So it seems almost to be penalizing them if we charge what they're being given as compensation, we charge it as income, they're going to lose out on other benefits. That just doesn't seem fair.
Good afternoon, Representative.
Good afternoon.
Welcome to the Veterans Committee. Have you talked to any vets in your district on how this would benefit them?
I talk to them everywhere I see them, first of all. I see them at the American Legion meetings. I see them at the local VFWs. And I meet some of them in the grocery store, to be honest. Anywhere I see them, I talk. How will it benefit them? Again, they find it expensive to live here in Connecticut. And if they can get additional benefits by not being penalized for benefits they've gotten from the federal government, they're all in favor of that.
Certainly appreciate your advocacy, Representative, and we'll continue to work on this.
Good afternoon, Representative.
Good
How are you?
afternoon.
First of all, I just want to commend your persistence on this issue. The state of Connecticut, under current law, taxes that benefit. Am I understanding that right?
That's essentially what it is. It's penalizing them for getting the benefit from the federal government.
Okay, and I know in the precursor to 5402, a bill that you introduced, would exempt that veterans disability benefit from state income tax. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Okay.
That's right.
If you know, and I hope I'm not putting you on the spot, 5402, do you know if your concept, what you've been working so very, very hard on, if that has been baked into 5402?
I see it in 5402, so I support this bill.
Okay, thank you so much, Representative.
Thank you very much. Have a good day.